Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc, working on constructing several 27-1 wiring interface harnesses for the Leslie 26-1 kit. And in this case, for several kits. So what I have here are Amphenol, female Amphenol connectors. These are used connectors that I will clean up, as I've already done with this one. And then I've already cut wire using 18 gauge wire. In fact, here it is over here. Of various colors. Let's see here. Got the black, and the gray, blue, green, and red. All right. Are the colors. And you can find pretty easily the 26-1 kits. Here's 26-1 kit here. These are fairly easy to get off of eBay, but they don't always come with a 27-1 harness. So I had some 26-1 kits without a harness, so I decided to construct some. So here's one that came with this particular kit. They call it Leslie Hammond Adapter 27-1. So this is a vintage adapter here, and this is one that I constructed. All right, there you go. All right, so Hammond Doc in the shop. What do we have here? Of course, these are the covers. Amphenol connectors. And then I use the shrink tubing. I use this size shrink tubing after I've soldered the wires onto connectors here, and then I shrink wrap them like so, to keep them separated and for safety reason. Okay. All right, and that makes for a very neat connection there, and a neat harness. So one of the big projects that I'm working on today in the shop, trying to get some things done. One of those projects that just takes time to do, and it's very important. You want to be connecting a Leslie 147 to a Hammond A100 series of organs, this is a must-have, along with the 26-1 kit. All right, that's it. Till the next video, Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc, saying peace out.